Okay, so I'm working on a 2000 Cub Cadet commercial, zero turn. Got it all wiped down. Gonna clean the blades, sharpen them up, make sure everything is kosher to go. They're nice little buggies. It is 22 years old. This little buggy is. They've got 3 blades. Right down here. Get it up, get it safely secured. Sometimes you can just touch them up. If not, bust the bolts loose, take the blades off, sharpen them up, put them back on. Simple as that. Then I'm going to clean up the batteries, battery terminals, check the oil, do a filter, oil change, air filter, and a cleanup. I think that'll be good to fucking rock and roll. Excuse my French. They're nice little tractors for what they are when they work good.